What is going on, guys? Welcome to Poe Boys. I am Poe, and today we're going to be weighing our cars. Gavin right there is going to be weighing me. I'm going to be weighing my car. We're going to be guessing whose car is going to weigh what. My car has a lot of weight savings, and it's like 3,094 pounds, like stock. I'm trying to get into the 2,600 mark. My guess is 2,600, but I might be completely wrong. We're going to just see what our cars weigh and see if all this work that I've been doing the past few days is actually for something or if it's for nothing. Let's go ahead and get into it and head to the dump. Damn, look at this bike. Golly, this is Gavin's new toy. If y'all haven't seen that, watch Gavin's video up there. Gosh dang. All right, so it looks like everyone's going to weigh their cars. Let's go ahead and see how much this stupid thing weighs. Interesting to see how much this car weighs because I've never weighed it before. It weighs 3,094 pounds alone, stock, in the same configuration the car came in when I got it. But I took so much stuff out of it that I really don't know how much this thing weighs. I'm very curious to see what I'm going. I'm looking for 2,600, maybe 2,700 pounds. I've got a lot of stuff on it. I got the fiberglass hood, fiberglass deck lid, lightweight Corbo seat, 40% of my dash, the max speeding rod coilovers, and this thing handles like a dream. Like going side to side like this looks intense, but like it's planted, it feels great. Be a very fun car to take autocrossing. There's a tractor. All right, Gavin's gonna figure out how much his car weighs. Oh my gosh. Dang!
I was 20 pounds off. You were dead on.
Now we're gonna find out what mine weighs, I guess. They're betting on how much my car weighs. My car is gonna be 2,700 pounds. I already know it. And they're like, nah, it's gonna be so heavy. Gavin thinks it's gonna be heavy. Harry thinks it's gonna be light. I think it's gonna be right in the middle at 2,700. Is it heavy? Well, I also weigh 5,000 pounds.
Oh, dude! Oh, again! On the money!
He did it literally right on the dot. That's 60 pounds more than what I thought it was gonna be.
I said 2,700. Harry said 2,760.
2,760 after all the weight savings. That's exactly what I was thinking. 400 pounds taken out of your car. Well, it weighed
3,050.
300 pounds plus or minus. Either way.
So hey, look, if you were running the same amount of power, if you were running 400 horsepower, because you pulled that weight out, it's gonna run 3 tenths faster. Oh, 3 tenths faster.
Damn! I don't think he knew that was there. All right, guys, so it looks like I weigh 2,760 pounds with all the weight savings I've done, which is pretty light, but we're about to figure out what Harry runs.
Let's see what's gonna weigh. This is the same chassis as my car.
3,520.
Damn! 3,500 even.
Full interior.
That's
and I
not
have
bad.
A trunk full of skateboards.
That's full interior. You still got the back seat and the passenger seat and everything in there.
Harry, if you did what I did, you'd be like close to what I weighed stock. So this right here is a EcoBoost and it's stock on coilovers and that's it. It just got stuff in there. Well, we finally figured out what the cars weigh. I hope it was more, but I mean, shoot, I'm not mad. It's less. It's 3/10 mile compared to what stock would be if I ran it stock. I also do have a full tank of gas too, and I normally won't be racing with a full tank.
What are you doing?
Oh, look at that. Got him a new bumper, and now he needs a new oil pan.
Yep.
It's that low life. We went to Lowe's and got parts.
And a Cliff Bar.
And a Cliff Bar. The guy in Lowe's was like, what's Poe's hose? And I had to explain to him what Poe's hose was. So like, buy merch, because I finally have merch now. Go buy some, and you can explain to people.
I'm sorry for ruining your video.
Well, you can explain to people what Poe's hose means and use whatever description you would like, but buy some merch. I got lots of stuff. Look on the merch shelf down there. So we're gonna go back, fix my heater core issue because I'm not getting enough cooling in my car. I'm only cooling like half the block. So we're gonna go fix that. All right, guys, so to change the heater core situation I have, because I'm only heating half of my block, or cooling half of my block, I have this guy, and this guy, 3/4, 5/8, and this is a adapter for the two of them. So what I'm gonna do is lock this adapter in the vise, put some Teflon on these guys, and then tighten it. Teflon added. Now I'm gonna tighten that dude on there. and make sure it's watertight. All right, there's one. This is exactly how everything in my life works. Is in theory this should work, and I have a shirt that says that. So if y'all believe in my theory, feel free to support the channel and buy some merch, because that would be very fun and helpful. All right, so here's my adapter right here. It should work perfectly fine. Here's some hose clamps for the hoses, and should not have any problems unblocking that radiator hose now. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is fix this here coolant situation I've got going on. Because I capped off the lines, I knew it would work for a little bit, but it's just not going to work for really a long time. I need to make sure I'm cooling the whole block. Right now I'm cooling half of the block, which really is not preferred. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop this guy up, grab me an 8. Oh wait, it's not an 8, it's a 1/4 inch. I'm stupid, I figured that out last time. I wish y'all knew how hot it was today. Oh boy, that's hot. One spark plug. Now I gotta grab some pliers and get that other one. And take that guy off and pop the spark plug out. Dang, the spark plug's tight in there. Means I got a good seal. Ew. All sorts of rust. All right, so now I need to figure out how I want to do this. I wish this harness wasn't in the way. Let's see. Sweet. Oh, Nikes. That sucks. Working in the engine bay on hot coolant parts on top of a motor when it's 103 degrees outside, this is dedication. Grab this hose. Let's see if I can even make this connection happen. There's one, and I'm gonna need more line. Me in the mouth. All right, so I have this AC line, and something tells me that I think I can make this work. All I gotta find is the clip, which is down here. Move this harness up. Golly, that harness really gets in the way. All right, yeah, so that's gonna work. What I'm gonna do is grab these pliers, see if I can't take off this clip right here. Come on, pull off. Ow. That hurt. This is painful. This really sucks. But yeah, I definitely did understand. Don't just block off your heater core line, because you're gonna need that. Put that there. Come on now, fit. I'm gonna go grab some WD-40 to make this fit. He didn't have WD-40, but he has some white lithium. Let's see. Just enough. And now that guy slides right on. All right, now all I gotta do is connect these. And if they connect, then I will be finished. Easy, like a Sunday freaking morning. Grab a hose clamp, put that on there, push that fitting in. All right, that guy's tight. Last step is to connect these two lines. All right, now that should be good. Should, in theory, be good. I'm gonna get a zip tie and zip tie it to up here, so that way it doesn't fall and bounce off these headers. But that should be good. Happy Poe, happy Poe, happy Poe. Fixed car. All right. Bro, there is spiders. What the hell? Leave your Taco Bell in your car for 2 days and there's spiders freaking born inside of it. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of research. I'll be back. All right, so what I have here is I have this harness, which is a 4-point harness. I have everything hooked up right now, so that way it's super easy to install, so people understand how to install it. I'm not doing this the professional way. I don't really know what the professional way is, so I'm doing it the Poe way, which is the way that I know that works and is safe enough for me. This goes in that hole. Pull that through and pull that through. All right, now I have to install my harness. What? The dude's on backwards. All right, so buckle, and belt. Good deal. What I'm gonna do is probably take these guys, bolt them down here with that bolt. These guys I'm going to tie to the harness bar because I don't have any other thing to attach this to. Pull that off because I'm not bolting that up to anything. Now I can run this back and I'll be able to tie that into the harness bar here in just a sec. This and that. All right, so now harnesses are ready to attach to the car and bolt in. All right guys, so I've got the harnesses in, they're bolted in, mounted up right there. I wanted to do it all off camera because I'm really not a big fan of how I did it, but that's just a surprise. Either way, we're done putting the harnesses in. Let's do something else.